Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to check the processing time of your application. Before that, I want to introduce myself. I'm licensed in New York, based here in Texas. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 10 years. Okay, let's get started. It's really easy. All you have to do is go to the USCIS website. So go to uscis.gov. I'm sharing to you my screen so you can see it easily. Okay? So ito na yung page ng USCIS website. The easiest way is to go to the search box. So mag-type ka lang dyan ng processing times. Okay. So, ang USCIS, meron siyang iba't ibang service centers at of course, merong iba't ibang applications. So, depende kung anong application mo and then kung anong service center nandun ang application mo. So, you need to know those two things. Actually, three things. You need to know your priority date or date of filing. You need to know your form number and then you need to know your service center. Paano mo malalaman yan? Makikita mo yung information na yan sa receipt notice mo. So when you file the application or when your lawyer filed the application for you, nakatanggap ka ng receipt notice. So nandun yung date of filing or priority date, yung form number, and then yung service center. So after we type processing times dito sa search box, scroll down, you can see processing times. And then on this page, check case processing times. It will ask you kung anong form. So we'll use a common form, Form I-130, which is the petition for alien relative. And then we'll choose the California Service Center. And then click on Get Processing Time. Scroll down. Processing time for petition for alien relative at California Service Center. See table below. So makikita mo dito, on the left side, estimated time range. In the middle, form type. And in the right side, receipt date for a case inquiry. So dito sa left side, makikita mo yung estimated time of processing. Ito yung USCIS level pa lang . So 11 months to 14.5 months for permanent resident filing for a spouse or child under 21. So ito yung mga categories niya dito sa form type. And then ang receipt date niya for a case inquiry ay May 29, 2019. Anong ibig sabihin nitong receipt date for a case inquiry? Ang sabi dito, kung ang priority date mo or ang date of filing mo is earlier than the receipt date indicated here, pwede ka nang mag-submit ng service request. Meaning, outside the processing time ka na. Okay? So say, May 15, 2019 ang priority date mo. Tapos nandito, sa receipt date for case inquiry is May 29, 2019, pwede ka na. Outside of normal processing time ka na. Alright? So that's how you get the estimated time and whether or not pwede ka nang mag-service request dahil outside normal processing time ka na. So kung within normal processing time ka, we really can't do anything kasi the way it works is ang immigration ay pinoprocess niya ang application according to the order they receive it, diba? So kung may mga nauna sa'yo, of course, mas mauuna yung pagpaprocess nun, and so on. So this is how you get it. So let's do another example. Let's do a petition for application for employment authorization, okay? And then let's look at the National Benefits Center. Get processing time. Okay, see? Here, scroll down, 4 to 6 months based on a pending I-485 adjustment application. So 4 to 6 months on processing time niya. This is for I-765 employment authorization application when there's a pending I-485 application, so 4 to 6 months. And then 4 to 6 months, all other applications for employment authorization. Ang receipt date for a case inquiry is February 12, 2020. So kung ang priority date mo is earlier than February 12, 2020, pwede ka nang mag-request, mag-service request kasi outside normal processing time ka na. Kung not earlier than this date, hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-service request kasi ang ibig sabihin nun, you're still within the normal processing time. Okay? So it's really easy, and you don't have to call your lawyer's office. All you need to do is go online and check it. Kasi kung nasa processing time pa rin, normal processing time, we really can't do anything. You have to wait. We all have to wait. And kung outside of normal processing time, then we can submit a service request. Okay? I hope natutunan nyo kung paano mag-check, and kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do, Attorney Immigration Lawyer. And if you have any questions, please email me, eborlo@gmail.com. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.